Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Adobe Substance 3D materials from Premiere, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open Adobe Premiere Pro on your computer. Navigate to the window menu on the top toolbar. Select Essential Graphics from the drop-down menu. Once the Essential Graphics panel is visible, locate the Browse tab. In the Browse tab, scroll through the available materials and assets. Find the Adobe Substance 3D material you wish to uninstall. Right-click on the material to open a context menu. Select Remove from the context menu to initiate the uninstallation. Confirm the removal when prompted to ensure the material is deleted. For a more thorough cleanup, go to the Edit menu on the top toolbar. Select Preferences and then click on Media. In the Media Preferences, look for any cache or associated files related to Adobe Substance 3D. Delete any unnecessary files that might still be lingering. Once done, close the Preferences window to save your changes. Restart Adobe Premiere Pro to ensure all changes take effect. After restarting, check the Essential Graphics panel to confirm the material is no longer listed. If you encounter any issues, consider rechecking the uninstall process or resetting your preferences. That's how you can successfully uninstall Adobe Substance 3D materials from Premiere. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.